Three businesses that you can start without a lot of capital. Number one, digital products. Digital products are highly demanded, but you do not need a lot of capital to start it. All you need is your phone, your laptop, and your internet connectivity, and you'll be able to start this business and produce your products and sell them online. Examples include ebooks, software applications, music, and so on. All these, if you are able to produce them, you will be able to sell them and you earn your side income. Number two is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is also a very nice business that you can start without having to employ capital. With affiliate marketing, you will be able to sell other people's products and be able to earn a commission. Another type of business that you can also start is graphic design. If you have that skill of graphic design, you can use that knowledge, be able to design packages and lay out magazines, packages for products, and be able to earn your income. These are the three types of businesses that if you want to start up a business but with little or no capital, you can use your phone, your computer, and internet connectivity and be able to earn your income. If you like this, please follow me for more.